Well, in less than a week, it's going to be October 1st. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. And hopefully some cooler weather here in the Houston area. So today I'm going to make pumpkin bars with a cream cheese icing. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, so 2 cups of flour, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Let's get the dry ingredients mixed up. All right. All right, into this bowl, I'm going to add 1 2/3 cup of sugar, and I'm going to add 1 can of 100% pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. Don't do that. This is pure pumpkin. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of canola oil. Egg time. You don't have to add them one at a time. Just want them mixed well. I love anything pumpkin. So now, part of the dry ingredients. My husband says to smile. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of it. I'm going to push down the sides. There we go. I want everything to mix well, and I want all the ingredients. Yes, I do. My husband says I'm a natural born scowler. And that I should not concentrate so hard and smile. This is a 15 by 10 by 1 inch pan. We don't have to grease it. You're going to put this pumpkin mixture in an ungreased pan. This is what you call a typical jelly roll pan. All right, now. All right, there we go. I can't resist this. At 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, let's check this cake. And it's ready. So now we're going to let it cool completely before we put the icing on it. 6 ounces of cream cheese, 4 ounces of butter. This is 1 cup of powdered sugar. And now another cup of powdered sugar. Now mix well. Vanilla bean paste is what I like to use. And this is 2 tablespoons of milk, but I'm not going to put it all in. All right. All right, the cake is completely cool, and I'm putting the frosting on top. We'll spread it around smoothly. These turned out so well. I love the taste.
Just smooth it around, get it to all the edges.
I'm going to put these in the refrigerator, and when I do cut them to serve, I will also put the leftovers in an airtight container and keep them in the refrigerator.
Pumpkin bars. Pumpkin bars are a delightful autumn treat. These moist and spiced bars are typically made with a base of pumpkin puree, flour, sugar, and cinnamon. They often feature a creamy cream cheese frosting that adds a perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess. Pumpkin bars are a great dessert, perfect for gatherings, Thanksgiving celebrations, or simply indulging in the cozy comforts of fall. Whether enjoyed as a snack with a cup of hot cider or as a dessert after a hearty meal, pumpkin bars capture the essence of autumn in every delicious bite. Well, by now you know you can find the recipe on my new and improved website, darlenestable.com. Remember to like and subscribe, that really helps my channel. And come back to see me soon, right here on Darlene's Table.